Today, I'd like to teach you how to find the molecular mass of copper-2 nitrate, and I've created the following table to help us out. Bam! So the first step is to write down the elements we see in the compound, right? So we see copper, Cu, we see nitrogen, N, and we see oxygen, O. Then next is to write down the number of atoms. That's where these subscripts come into play. So at the bottom of copper here, there's an invisible 1. That means we have 1 copper atom. Now at the bottom of nitrogen, there is a 1, but the problem is that nitrogen is tied up in the polyatomic anion nitrate. And you don't have 1 nitrate here, you have 2 of them. So if in each nitrate there's only 1 nitrogen, but you have 2 nitrates, there should be 2 nitrogens. Easier way to do it, take a look at that subscript, just multiply it by the outer subscript, okay? Inner subscript multiplied by outer subscript. So the total amount of nitrogen here is 2. Following that same logic for oxygen, then the total amount of oxygen should be 6. You multiply them. Next is then to identify the mass of each element, and that's where the periodic table comes into play. So let's take a look. So copper here has a mass of 63.55, nitrogen is 14.01, and oxygen is 16. Those masses are in grams per molar AMU. It actually does not matter. The magnitudes stay the same. The values they are different, all right? But the magnitudes actually are equivalent, so it doesn't really matter which one we use here. So for the mass of copper, we're going to use 63.55. The mass of nitrogen was 14.01. And oxygen was 16. I write the 6 first. Don't ask me why. So the total mass of the element now is simply going to be found by multiplying the row on together. So this is going to be 63.55 total mass of copper. Total mass of the nitrogen is then multiplying that together, so that's 28.02. And then oxygen here is going to be 96. All right, that's the total mass of the oxygen. Did I say nitrogen? I meant oxygen. I'm not sure what I said. But anyway, total mass of the oxygen here, just multiply those on across. Then to find the total mass of the compound, not really sure what's going on, but my computer has a mind of its own. The total mass of the compound now is just going to be simply added on together. All right, so you're going to add this total column on up. That'll find the total mass of the entire element now. So this is going to be 187.57. And since we're solving for molecular mass, the units down here are in terms of AMU, atomic mass unit. And that's all there is to it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so very much for watching. Now you know how to find the molecular mass of copper-2 nitrate. Check out some more of our videos on our channel. We got literally thousands and thousands of problems here in chemistry, physics, mathematics. We've got a lot of other stuff coming out, biology, statistics. All right, so we'd love to help you with more stuff. Take care.